Do you like winter?
Yes, I love winter.
What is your favorite thing about winter?
I like playing in the snow.
Do you make snowmen in winter?
Yes, I make snowmen with my friends.
What do you wear in winter to stay warm?
I wear a warm coat, gloves, and a hat.
Have you ever been ice skating?
Yes, I've been ice skating, and it's so much fun.
What winter sports do you like?
I like skiing and snowboarding.
Do you celebrate any holidays in winter?
Yes, I celebrate Christmas with my family.
What do you usually eat during winter?
I like to have hot chocolate and cookies.
Have you ever seen icicles?
Yes, I've seen icicles hanging from the roofs.
Do you enjoy winter break from school?
Yes, I love having time off to play in the snow.
What is your favorite winter activity?
I love going sledding with my friends.
Do you wear scarves in winter?
Yes, I wear a cozy scarf to keep warm.
Have you ever had a snowball fight?
Yes, I've had a snowball fight, and it was so much fun.
What is your favorite winter treat?
I love eating warm apple pie.
Do you have a favorite winter movie?
Yes, I enjoy watching Frozen.
Have you ever built an igloo?
No, I haven't built an igloo, but it sounds cool.
Do you like the winter holidays or summer holidays more?
I like both, but winter holidays feel more magical.
What animals do you think like winter?
I think polar bears like winter because they live in the snow.
Do you wear boots in winter?
Yes, I wear boots to keep my feet warm and dry.
What is your favorite winter color?
I like the color blue, like the winter sky.
Do you have a winter jacket?
Yes, I have a warm winter jacket with a hood.
What do you do on a snowy day?
I like building snow forts on snowy days.
Do you have a winter hat with a pom-pom?
Yes, my hat has a cute pom-pom on top.
Have you ever seen the northern lights in winter?
No, I haven't seen them, but I would love to.
Do you like the cold or prefer warmer weather?
I like the cold because I can play in the snow.
What's your favorite winter song?
I like singing Jingle Bells during winter.
Do you have a winter bedtime routine?
Yes, I like to snuggle up with a warm blanket.
Have you ever made a winter craft?
Yes, I made paper snowflakes as a winter craft.
Do you like winter decorations?
Yes, I love the lights and decorations during winter.
What winter book do you enjoy reading?
I like reading The Snowy Day in winter.
Have you ever seen a winter sunrise?
Yes, it's beautiful with the snow glowing in the morning light.
Do you like winter more in the city or the countryside?
I like winter in the countryside because of the peaceful snowscapes.
What's your favorite winter memory?
My favorite memory is building a snowman with my family.
Do you put up winter decorations at home?
Yes, we decorate our home with snowflakes and lights.
Have you ever made a winter wish?
Yes, I made a wish on a shooting star in winter.
Do you like winter more during the day or at night?
I like both, but winter nights feel cozy and magical.
What winter holiday traditions do you have?
We decorate the Christmas tree and exchange gifts.
Have you ever seen a winter festival or parade?
Yes, I've seen a winter parade with festive floats.
What's your favorite winter dessert?
I love eating warm apple crisp with vanilla ice cream.
Do you wear mittens in winter?
Yes, I wear mittens to keep my hands warm.
Have you ever gone on a winter hike?
Yes, I've hiked in the snow-covered mountains.
Do you like the smell of winter air?
Yes, I love the crisp and fresh scent of winter.
What's your favorite winter game to play?
I enjoy playing board games with my family by the fireplace.
Have you ever had a winter picnic?
No, but it sounds like a fun idea with hot cocoa and sandwiches.
Do you have a winter pet peeve?
I don't like when my fingers get too cold in winter.
What winter movie do you watch every year?
I watch Home Alone every winter.
Have you ever seen a winter rainbow?
No, I haven't seen one, but it sounds magical.
What's your dream winter vacation destination?
I dream of visiting a snowy cabin in the mountains.
Do you believe in winter magic?
Yes, I believe in the magic of snowflakes and the joy they bring.